All right, everybody. Thank you for your patience. I was trying to let as many people come into the room as possible. But here we are. So welcome to our score machine training. This is going to show you how to utilize the score machine. Now, with the score machine, like I shared, that we are currently in the process of changing the price. So for those of you that have not already gotten into the score machine for the $197, we highly recommend and encourage you do so. Okay. Let me get this off of my screen. So currently the pricing for the score machine, let's go ahead and click here. Let's see, the computer is moving pretty slow. Well, currently the pricing for the score machine is $197. We do encourage you to go ahead and get started if you haven't already. Let's see who we got. Tasha, Dre, did you guys have any questions that you guys had in regards to the software of how to utilize it? I know, Dre, you don't, but Tasha, did you have any questions in regards to how to utilize the software?
Not right now.
Okay. Dre, did you want to share something or? Okay. Well, I was trying to give it time for people to come in into the call. A lot of you or Tasha and there was someone else that was on it. I think it was I forget what his name is. His name is Rick Roman on here, but he was on and a lot of us have already pretty much seen how the score machine works and how to do things. So I was trying to wait to see if anybody else that was new to the software that was gonna join.
Are they on paid in full? Maybe they on that one
I'm not
because they have a
sure.
training class in nature at the same time.
Dre, were you about to say something? Okay. Well, a lot of you guys that are on the call right now pretty much know how the score machine works. If you have any specific questions, Rick, do you have any specific questions on the score machine? Did you have something that was pressing in regards to how to utilize the score machine?
Um, they actually don't have any crazy questions. The AI is going to be working soon.
Everything is already working
What?
for the score machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything's already working for the score machine. Yeah, that's everything is fine with the score machine. You just import your clients by adding a client. And remember, you have the three options: My Free Score Now, Identity IQ, or Smart Credit. I mean, not Smart Credit. My Score IQ. Remember, for ID IQ or My Score IQ, you have to have the last four. But as soon as you get those credentials, you'll type them in here, and the AI takes over.
Yeah, no, I got that. So I'm good with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's saying AI coach new, so it must be working to the left hand side.
See, mine says coming soon.
Are you on the right thing? Are you on thescoremachine.com?
Yeah, on scoremachine.com.
Yeah. Once you add client, in order for you to work everything, you got to go to the work area.
Is he
And
in the
when
trial or is he paying or is he in the trial run?
In my work area.
and did you pay you have your subscription? Everything is paid for your subscription?
Yep, I'm up to date. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the AI is working for the software. If you're, I will say this, if you're having any issues, reach out to Ray.
Got it.
Ray is the go-to in regards to anything that's going on with any of the softwares.
Yeah, my next billing day is the 28th. We're not there yet.
Does it need to refresh? Go out and go back in?
Yeah. I refreshed. Yeah, coach. No, still, this feature will be available shortly.
Yeah, I will reach out to Ray, text Ray, and let him know what you're
I
experiencing so
got
that
it.
he can check on his end to see what's going on. Because as you can see, everything is working fine. I'm logged into the actual score machine. And once you add the client, it's going to read the report. And then in order for you to get the client or to see if the client's fundable or if they need credit repair, you'll click and go to the work area. You'll click work area. Then you'll click on that client's name. And then the software really already read the report and provides you with everything in regards to the report. So you should be good. So I would say reach out to Ray to see exactly, if he can see on the back end what's going on with your specific software so they can troubleshoot or do whatever they need to do on the back end.
Hit him up right now. Phone to charge.
But yeah, once you have logged into the software, you pull your client or click on your client's name. You have the different options here in order to read the report for individuals that are looking for funding. That specifically will be under underwriting. You'll click on underwriting, and then the software will give you the data points to let you know if that client meets these data points. So as you can see with this client, and it specifies up here, good to go, which means this client is good for funding, or proceed with caution. Just be, cautious in regards to if you're going to apply. And then red, of course, is not eligible. Don't go. That means stop. As we can see, this client here meets all the points here in regards to getting funding. Of course, right here with the inquiries, because they have 5 on TransUnion, they don't have the amount of under 4 inquiries to be fundable. So the TransUnion report is you can proceed with caution. Um, the next steps for this client, because they are fundable, is we can go ahead and click on go to funding. So if we click there, you'll go ahead and agree to the terms here. And then the software literally reads the report to determine if that client is fundable and what banks you can utilize. So the software will determine if you can utilize the Experian credit report, Equifax credit report, or TransUnion, or all three. And with that being said, it's going to provide you with the credit unions or the banks that pull from those specific credit bureaus. Okay. So as soon as it's finished uploading all the information, you'll be able to see what banks you can go ahead and go through to complete those steps. So right now, everything is pretty much checked. So all, which is a loan, credit card, line of credit, SBA, subprime lenders, home equity loan, and auto loan. Also here for the bureaus, all of the bureaus. Okay. So with that being said, here are the banks that are being provided based off of what that credit report reads. Super simple. Um, and when you click on the specific bank, it tells you which credit bureau it's pulling from. So as you can see, green, of course, like I shared, means go. It's approvable in your state as well as for this one specifically is all three. Okay. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. But as you can see right here is this one, the top one here is Equifax. The next one is Equifax. So it specifically lets you know what credit bureaus works best with these specific banks. And once you are able to go ahead and move forward, you can just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, click apply. And then literally that application for that specific credit card or loan is going to populate, and you'll be able to simply click on apply and then move forward with the application process. Go ahead. You can unmute. What's your question?
All right, so I just spoke to Ray and Ali. There's the AI coach is not it's not working right now.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good to know. As you saw, it was working on my end, but maybe some of the softwares aren't. Did they to give you a time frame as to when it'll be back up and
Uh,
running?
he, no.
Okay.
Can you go back to the funding part? I want to know how to get my clients funding. They get back when you can get them funding.
So you go to the work area. You see this right here on your menu side of the left of the screen. You click on work area and then say, for instance, this is your name here. You'll click on your name and you have the different options here. Analysis of the credit report, progress report, underwriting is located here, automated credit analysis, debt consolidation, funding audit, and then funding apply. What you can do here, what I did was under underwriting, I went on ahead and click on underwriting, and it gives you the option right here where it says next steps. If that client is fundable, you can simply click here, go to funding, or you can click here where it says funding apply, and you'll agree to the acknowledgments here or the terms here. And then once you click on there, it's going to bring you to this screen here where the software is going to continue to analyze that report to determine what banks, what credit report you can utilize to be able to get funding for. Do you need me to go through that again, Ricardo?
No, I got it.
Okay, perfect.
I got it. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. And then the funding type, you can either click all and it'll give you all the options, or if you're only interested in the loan, if you're only interested in the credit card, you can select these different options here. If you only want to pull from Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, you can do that as well. Okay. But again, it's super simple. Just add the client credit report, which is the login credentials for either My Free Score Now, Identity IQ, or My Score IQ. Understand and keep in mind that with Identity IQ and My Score IQ, you must have the last four of the social in order for you to be able to pull that report.
Got it.